So, are you ready for the future? These AI tools are changing the game and could even replace your job? It's a bold statement, I know, but the pace of AI development right now is just insane. We've gone from clunky chatbots to hyper-realistic image generators in what feels like the blink of an eye. It's no longer a question of if AI will impact the workforce, but how and how soon. The capabilities we're seeing are moving beyond simple task automation and are starting to encroach on roles that require creativity, complex problem-solving, and strategic thinking. This isn't just about efficiency anymore, it's a fundamental shift in how work gets done, from project managers to artists to translators. And while that can be a little intimidating, it's also incredibly fascinating from a tech perspective. We're witnessing a revolution in real time. That's what this video is all about. We're going to break down 5 of the most disruptive AI tools poised to make a massive impact in 2025. We'll look at what they do, how they work, and which jobs they might just make obsolete. This isn't science fiction, this is what's on the horizon. So, let's get into it. These are the 5 AI tools that could genuinely change everything. Alright, first up on the list is AutoGPT. Now, you've probably heard of ChatGPT, right? You give it a prompt, it gives you a response, it's a conversation. AutoGPT takes that concept to a whole new level. It's what's known as an autonomous AI agent. You don't just give it a single task, you give it a high-level goal, and it figures out the steps to get there all on its own. It's like having a super-intelligent intern that can think, reason, and execute complex multi-step projects from start to finish. Think about it this way. Instead of asking an AI to write me an email, you could tell AutoGPT to launch a marketing campaign for my new product. It would then break that down into smaller tasks. Research the target audience, draft ad copy, generate social media posts, analyze competitor strategies, and even set up the campaign in Google Ads. It can browse the web for information, access files on your computer, and interact with other software. It essentially creates its own to-do list, and then works through it, learning and adapting as it goes. This is where it gets really disruptive for certain professions. Roles that are heavily focused on planning, coordination, and executing a series of digital tasks are directly in its line of sight. I'm talking about project managers, operations coordinators, and even some marketing specialists. Their job is often to be the human glue between different tasks and departments, ensuring everything moves forward. AutoGPT is designed to be that glue, but in a purely digital, incredibly efficient form. It doesn't need coffee breaks or weekly check-in meetings. The level of autonomy here is the real game changer. It's not just about automating a single repetitive task like data entry, it's about automating an entire workflow, a complete project lifecycle. The AI is making decisions, it's prioritizing tasks, it's problem-solving when it hits a roadblock. This is a higher level of cognitive work that, until very recently, we assumed was safely in the human domain. The ability to delegate not just a task, but an entire outcome, is a massive paradigm shift. So, how does it actually work under the hood? It typically uses a powerful large language model like GPT-4 as its brain. But it wraps that brain in a loop that allows it to self-prompt. It assesses its goal, thinks about the next logical step, generates a prompt for itself to execute that step, and then analyzes the result to decide what to do next. It's a continuous cycle of thought, action, and observation, all happening internally within the AI. It's pretty wild to watch in action. Of course, it's not perfect. It can get stuck in loops, or it might misinterpret the initial goal, leading it down a completely wrong path. There's still a need for human oversight and direction, what some people are calling an AI handler. But the trajectory is clear. As these models get more reliable and more capable, the need for that minute-to-minute human management of digital projects will inevitably decrease. Imagine a world where a CEO can simply state a business objective and an autonomous agent mobilizes all the necessary digital resources to make it happen. That's the future that AutoGPT and similar agents are pointing towards. It's a future where efficiency is dialed up to 11, but it also raises some serious questions about the role of human project leaders and operational staff. So for project management, the writing is on the wall. While the strategic, human-centric aspects of leadership will remain important, the day-to-day task tracking, resource allocation, and progress reporting, that's prime territory for an AI like AutoGPT to take over. It's not just a tool, it's a potential replacement for an entire function within a company. Next up, let's talk about video. Specifically, AI-generated video with tools like Synthesia. The first version was already impressive. You could type in a script, choose a stock AI avatar, Render a video of that avatar speaking your words. Great for corporate training videos, onboarding materials, and other internal content. But Synthesia 2.0 and the next generation are on another level. Photorealistic avatars nearly indistinguishable from real humans. The level of detail is staggering. Realistic micro-expressions, natural-sounding voice cloning with intonation and emotion, the ability to create a digital twin. Record yourself for a few minutes. The AI can generate new videos of you saying anything in any language without you stepping in front of a camera. The uncanny valley is shrinking fast. This affects anyone who makes a living on camera. Content creators, news anchors, corporate presenters, actors. Why hire a spokesperson when you can generate on demand for a fraction of the cost? The AI never gets tired, never flubs a line, updates instantly by changing the script. A marketing team could create 50 personalized ads, target specific demographics, and render them all in an afternoon. No need to book a studio, hire a film crew, or schedule an actor. Production pipeline being upended, video creation becomes as simple as writing a document. Roles directly impacted: commercial and corporate actors, educational and training presenters, YouTubers and content creators. Imagine producing a daily news-style video without lights, camera, or mic. Just type and render. Tech is breaking down language barriers. Avatars delivering flawlessly in Japanese, German, Spanish. Huge for global companies. One CEO message localized instantly. Regional spokespeople and dubbing services start to fade. There's a debate about authenticity. Will audiences connect with an AI avatar like a real human? For personality-driven content, probably not yet. Real charisma is hard to replicate. But for informational content, AI may be better for clarity and consistency. So your favorite vlogger isn't gone tomorrow, but the barrier to entry is collapsing, flooding the market with content. Thousands working behind and in front of the camera for corporate, educational, and marketing videos face an existential threat. It's a powerful, slightly unsettling evolution in content creation. Okay, let's shift from pixels to words. Our third tool is Jasper AI. It was formerly known as Jarvis. If you're in marketing, advertising, or any content creation involving writing, pay attention. Jasper and its competitors are AI-powered copywriting assistants. From blog posts, website copy, ad headlines, social media captions, these tools can do it all. The core idea is simple. You provide a brief, keywords, and a tone, maybe witty, professional, persuasive. The AI then generates multiple options in seconds. Jasper understands context. It knows marketing frameworks like AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action. It can mimic styles of famous writers or brands. Often the output is indistinguishable from a junior copywriter. This challenges an entire industry. Content writers, SEO blog posts, social media managers, daily updates, email marketers, newsletters, advertising copywriters, headlines. These tasks can now be done at a fraction of the cost and time. Why hire a team or retainers when a subscription can generate unlimited content? For startups and small businesses, this democratizes access to good marketing copy. But for people who made a living writing, it's a huge threat. Companies are building content pipelines around these tools. An AI can generate blog post ideas based on trending topics. Then outline the post, write each section, suggest a compelling title. A human editor might polish the draft, but the heavy lifting is done by the machine. The writer's role shifts to curator and editor. In advertising, brainstorming headlines or calls to action can take hours. An AI can generate hundreds of variations in a minute. That enables rapid A/B testing at scale. Test 20 headlines at once to see what performs best. This optimizes campaigns with speed and precision. But there's a debate about originality. Can AI be truly creative? For now, the most novel creative concepts still come from humans. For about 90% of commercial writing, clear, effective, on-brand, AI is more than capable. If your job title has writer, editor, or content in it, you can't ignore this. Future writer roles, high-level strategy, deep investigative journalism, unique voice-driven creative work. For the vast middle of commercial copywriting, Jasper AI is a formidable competitor that doesn't sleep. From words we now move to images. And honestly, this is where things get really wild. Let's talk about the next generation of AI image generators, DALL-E, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion. What these tools can do is nothing short of magic. You describe an image in plain English, like a photorealistic astronaut riding a horse on Mars, cinematic lighting, and within seconds, it generates a stunning, high-resolution image that matches your description. The leap in quality over the last couple of years is honestly hard to overstate. We've gone from blurry, abstract nightmares to images that can pass for professional photography or intricate digital paintings. The AI now understands concepts like lighting, composition, lens types, and artistic styles. You can ask for an image in the style of Ansel Adams or as a 1980s synthwave album cover, and it will deliver with breathtaking accuracy. This is a seismic shift for the entire creative industry. Graphic designers, illustrators, concept artists, stock photographers. A huge part of their work involves creating visual assets based on a client's brief. That's precisely what these AI tools are designed to do, but they do it in seconds, not hours or days. Consider the workflow for a graphic designer creating a website banner. They might spend time searching for stock photos, manipulating them in Photoshop, and creating custom graphics. With an AI tool, they can simply type a minimalist banner for a tech startup's website, featuring abstract blue and white shapes and a laptop, and get a dozen options instantly. The role changes from creation to prompt engineering and selection. Concept artists in the film and video game industries are also feeling this. Their job is to quickly visualize ideas for characters, environments, and props. An AI can now generate hundreds of variations of a sci-fi character or a fantasy landscape in the time it would take a human artist to do a single rough sketch. This drastically accelerates the ideation phase, but it also reduces the need for large teams of concept artists. Even stock photography is facing a major disruption. Why would you pay for a license for a generic photo of business people shaking hands in an office when you can generate a unique, royalty-free version that perfectly matches your brand's aesthetic for pennies? The entire business model of selling pre-made images is threatened when custom images can be created on demand by anyone. The skill set required to be a commercial artist is changing. It's becoming less about the technical skill of using a pencil or a Wacom tablet, and more about the creative skill of crafting the perfect descriptive prompt. The art is now in the words that generate the art. It's a new form of creativity, but it's one that devalues the years of practice that traditional artists have put into their craft. Of course, this isn't the death of all art. There will always be a place for fine artists with a unique vision and a human story to tell. But for the massive commercial art industry that creates the visuals for our websites, our advertisements, our products, and our media, the change is undeniable. Tools like DALL-E 4 and Midjourney are not just assistants. They are becoming the creators, forcing a fundamental rethinking of what it means to be a commercial artist in the 21st century. For our final tool, we're looking at something that aims to break down one of the oldest barriers in human history: language. Let's talk about the evolution of AI translation services, represented by tools like DeepL Pro. We've had machine translation for years with services like Google Translate, and they've been good enough to get the gist of a foreign website, but riddled with grammatical errors and awkward phrasing. They lacked a true understanding of nuance, idiom, and cultural context. What sets the new generation of AI translators like DeepL apart is their use of more advanced neural network architectures. They're not just translating word for word, they're analyzing the entire context of a sentence or paragraph to deliver a translation that is not only grammatically correct, but also sounds natural and fluent. The difference in quality is honestly remarkable. In many language pairs, the output is now approaching the level of a professional human translator. This has massive implications for the entire translation and localization industry. This is a huge global market, employing hundreds of thousands of professional translators, interpreters, and proofreaders. Their entire value proposition is their deep knowledge of 2 or more languages and their ability to bridge the gap between them accurately. As AI closes that quality gap, the demand for human intervention for many types of translation will inevitably shrink. Think about the most common use cases. A company needs to translate its website. A company needs to translate its user manuals. A company needs to translate its legal documents into multiple languages. Previously, this was a slow, expensive process requiring a team of human translators. Now a tool like DeepL Pro can translate millions of words in a fraction of the time and for a fraction of the cost. A human proofreader might still be needed for a final check, especially for critical documents, but the bulk of the work is automated. This isn't just about written text either. The technology is rapidly being integrated with voice recognition and speech synthesis. We're honestly on the cusp of having real-time universal translation devices, just like the Babelfish from The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Imagine being on a video call with someone from another country and you both speak your native language, but you hear each other in your own, translated in real time with a cloned version of the original speaker's voice. The technology is basically there. This will fundamentally change global business. This will fundamentally change travel. This will fundamentally change communication. It removes a major point of friction in international collaboration. But it also directly threatens the jobs of live interpreters, who are essential in everything from international conferences to courtroom proceedings. When the AI can provide instant, accurate interpretation, the need for the human intermediary is reduced. The roles that are safest are those that require a deep understanding of creative and cultural nuance, translating poetry, translating literature, translating clever marketing slogans. But for the vast majority of technical, legal, and business translation, the AI is becoming an incredibly powerful and efficient alternative. Technical translation, legal translation, business translation. So, for professional translators, the future likely involves working with AI, not against it. The job will shift towards post-editing machine translation, where the AI does the initial heavy lifting and the human expert refines and perfects the output. It's a more efficient workflow, but it also means one human can handle a much larger volume of work, which could lead to a contraction in the overall number of jobs available in the industry. It's another classic case of AI-driven efficiency disrupting a long-established profession. So there you have it. 5 incredibly powerful AI tools that are set to reshape the job market in 2025 and beyond. From autonomous project managers, AI actors, instant copywriters, artists, the scope of what AI can do is expanding at a mind-blowing pace. This isn't just a niche tech trend, it's a fundamental technological shift on par with the internet or the smartphone. The nature of work itself is being redefined. Many roles we once thought were safe are facing automation. This can feel overwhelming, maybe even a little scary. But it's also a catalyst for change and an opportunity for growth. The key takeaway isn't that humans are becoming obsolete, it's that the skills that are valuable are changing. The future belongs to those who can work alongside AI systems, leveraging them to amplify creativity, strategic thinking, human insight. It's about moving up the value chain, from doing the work to directing the work. The conversation around AI is one of the most important of our time, and it's happening right now. Stay informed and think critically about how these technologies will impact careers and society. Which of these AI tools do you think will impact your job the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more future tech